Let's see how to draw a circle with Arrowhead in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. So first, we want to insert our circle as a shape. So let's go ahead and click on the Insert tab. Now click on Shapes. And right here, click on Oval. Now click anywhere within your document where you want to draw your circle. And as you can see, we now have our circle right there. Now let's enlarge this circle. Hold Shift on your keyboard and drag your circle to your preferred size. Now, since we want to draw inside of the circle, let's go ahead and remove the shape fill. Just like that. Now click on this line right here to add another line. And from here, click on top right here. And that is the middle of the circle. Now drag it to until where you want your line to end. And from here, you can simply copy and paste the same line. Now you can rotate, flip it horizontally, and match it so that it will be a mirror image of the one in this side. And from here, you can add another line to draw the base of your arrowhead. Right there. And we can do the same thing for this one by adding another line. And just like that. And as you can see, we now have a arrowhead inside of our circle. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.